Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel iced coffee. Start by brewing your favorite coffee. A strong dark roast or a smooth cold brew works best for iced coffee. You'll need about 1 cup or 240 milliliters of chilled coffee per serving. Make sure it's completely cooled to prevent melting your ice too quickly. This foundational step ensures a robust coffee flavor that stands up to the sweetness of the caramel. Next, let's get that beautiful caramel swirl. Take your serving glass and generously drizzle about 2 to 3 tablespoons of caramel sauce along the inside walls. This creates an appealing visual and ensures caramel in every sip. You can use store-bought sauce or homemade, just make sure it's pourable. This step is key for that signature caramel flavor. Now it's time to assemble your delicious drink. Fill your caramel-drizzled glass completely with ice cubes. Then, carefully pour your chilled coffee over the ice, filling the glass about 2/3 full. Next, add about 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of your preferred milk or cream. Whole milk, almond milk, or oat milk all work wonderfully to create a creamy texture. For the grand finale, add a generous dollop of whipped cream on top of your iced coffee. A final drizzle of caramel sauce over the whipped cream makes it look professionally crafted and adds another layer of sweetness. Grab a straw, give it a gentle stir to combine the flavors, and savor your perfectly crafted caramel iced coffee. It's a delightful treat for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.